The air crackles with anticipation as gears grind and steam hisses, marking the dawn of a new era of musical expression. Sunlight streams through the grimy windows of a forgotten factory, illuminating the birthplace of mechanical music. The rhythmic clang of hammer against metal echoes through the workshop as the automaton's skeleton begins to take shape. Clara pores over ancient schematics, deciphering the secrets of forgotten clockwork mechanisms. Gears mesh and levers click as the automaton's intricate internal organs are assembled with painstaking care. A sudden breakthrough. Clara discovers a hidden compartment in the schematics, revealing a crucial component for the automaton's musical heart. Professor Sterling meticulously crafts the automaton's hands, imbuing them with the grace and dexterity needed to play complex melodies. Clara meticulously calibrates the automaton's voice box, ensuring that its melodies are both technically perfect and emotionally resonant. The automaton's face is carefully crafted, its features designed to express a range of emotions through subtle movements and expressions. Clara fine-tunes the automaton's programming, teaching it to interpret and respond to musical cues with precision and artistry. Steam hisses and gears whir as the automaton takes its first tentative steps, its movements jerky and uncoordinated. A moment of despair as the automaton malfunctions, its movements grinding to a halt and its musical voice silenced. Working tirelessly through the night, Clara and Professor Sterling diagnose the problem and devise a solution, their determination undeterred. With a final adjustment, the automaton sputters back to life, its movements smoother and more fluid than before. The automaton raises its hands, and a cascade of music fills the air, its notes clear, precise, and emotionally charged. Clara and Professor Sterling exchange a look of triumph and relief, their shared dream finally realized. The automaton performs for an audience, its music captivating and moving all who hear it. News of the mechanical virtuoso spreads far and wide, drawing crowds from all corners of the globe. The automaton's music inspires a new generation of artists and inventors, sparking a renaissance of creativity and innovation.